Hi, this is Awong from SHIN Automobiles. Today, one of our customers actually came down to install the ambient light, and later part we will show you how's the outcome. And let's just interview Mr. Harun here. Mr. Harun,
Yes.
thanks for supporting us.
Yes,
what was your experience like? Coming here to do the ambient light.
I'm very impressed with Ken and the team. I can see that it was a very impressive product. The service was top notch. I'm very glad I came here. For 5 hours, I'm actually monitoring their job. It was well organized and precise. Keep up the good job, Ken and the team. I'm very
Thank you.
impressed. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Ken. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.